So I'm looking at the markets, and one thing that is obvious, it's all going sideways. Now I don't mean down, I do mean sideways. Gold is going sideways, Bitcoin is going sideways, Dow's going sideways, even the UK FTSE 100 is going sideways. Have a look at these charts. So we've had a recovery from the crash caused by tariffs, and it's been a historical turnaround. It's been a historical recovery. There's been nothing like it ever in history as far as I can make out. Nothing at all. Nothing that sharp. Nothing that big. And I put that down to manipulation, obviously by the American government. So now it's back to the previous level, and the market has basically just stopped. So to me, that says the support has stopped. Without that support, the market is marking time. Now, normally, when a market or a share or a commodity just sits there going sideways, that's a bearish sign, because it means that the energy that pushed it up has gone away and it's just waiting for something bad to happen. And maybe there's a little bit of support, but not much. And there's a little bit of selling, but not much. And it's just sat there. And generally, even if you're a bull, sat there watching the instrument that you're playing just go sideways, hoping that it'll go up, 3 times out of 4 it goes down. That is what is in prospect for us, 3 times out of 4. But of course it doesn't have to happen. It could go up. So as the old joke goes, it's either going to go up or down or sideways. However, there's actually good trading sense in that, because when you reach this kind of equilibrium, what happens next is normally a big move. Now, it's really fighting history to say that's going to be a bear move, because we've had nothing but bull market for as long as I care to remember. I mean, you could say since 2009, basically. I mean, we've had a little bit of a drag now and again, but you could say that the bull market that we've been living in forever, it seems, is still in place. So you'd expect it to start breaking up at some point, going north. That is the hope for all people long. But nonetheless, whatever pushed it up after the tariff crash, that's over. And now it's just sat there waiting for something to happen, waiting for a reason to reprice. And you can see it's all tied together. Gold, Bitcoin, stock market, it's all one big lump, all tied together by whoever or whatever is driving the market. And of course, what is driving the market is liquidity. So what's next for liquidity? Well, it apparently would seem that the Fed is going to be dropping interest rates. Well, that should be good for liquidity, but we'll have to wait and see. Often, what you expect to happen is not what happens, it's the opposite. So the thing to do is sit tight with our positions and wait to see if we're going to get a breakout or a breakdown. But how long will that will take? I don't know. You can never be sure of the timing of these things. But the natural break for the markets will be the middle of September, when various places in the world, particularly in Europe, come back from their holidays and the action starts to kick off. So maybe we're going to have a quiet period for a month. And for me, that's probably sounds like famous last words. In any event, gold, Bitcoin, markets are all marking time. And when that comes to an end, the markets are going to move, and are going to move big. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon. Bye now.